This is a course on summoning demons or demonic entities. This course focuses on the teaching of the Aaiyyanist school, which is one of the tantric schools of Hindu Aayyanism. From the Aayyan World Foundation site we have this description. This is a tantric school, and as such the practitioners eat all forms of meat, drink alcohol as well as take drugs, to enhance their spiritual potency. The Aaiyyanist school teaches their students the boundaries of sexual practice, and use a carnal-centered philosophy, Vamamarga, as a means to attain liberation. Practitioners start their training age 20, after graduating from an Aaiyyanist temple. They have no hierarchy, though some are considered masters or gurus by other schools. Usually, the high Aaiyyan, both male or female, will take 1 or 2 disciples, and teach them the tantric nature of liberation for several years. Many of the Aaiyyanist Aaiyyanist school can be found in the major cities in India and abroad, and are usually wandering sannyasin or sannyasini with no fixed location. One of the ways the Aaiyyanist school expresses itself is in the invocation or summoning of negative beings, such as asuras or rakshasas, demons, and pretas or bhoots, spirits. They do this to either immerse themselves in negative energy as a form of dark liberation, or to direct negative energy against their enemies. This course will present the methods used by the Aaiyyanist school to summon various negative entities that will aid you, if you so desire it. The aid these beings can give you are either to remove negativity from yourself on a superficial level, to give you wealth and power, or, more usually, to curse your enemies. Aayyanists believe that negativity can lead to bad luck, illness and even death, so be warned what you wish for your enemies. Finally, the most important concept is that these entities will also give you arcane knowledge, and, if you so wish it, can merge with you to become a more holistic being. This is the goal of most tantric Aayyanists.